Amen Bantwana Bezithunywa. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. I really appreciate your comments as well. I hope ukuthi ningene kahle enyangeni omusha. All is well with you and your loved ones. May God continue to protect and bless you all. Today we are going to discuss the sacred relationship between the messenger, Isithunywa, and water bodies. Warning, masiye emanzini. Water is a portal, it is life, but it is also a force. We lose too many people to the waters. Asihlonipheni amanzi, abantu abaningi bayashona, abantu abaningi bahamba ngamanzi, abantu abaningi umuntu athi ayolungisa izinto angabuyi noma ugobela ahamba nawe omunye bese yena uhamba namanzi uzwe bathi ugobela uhambe namathwala. This is caused by various reasons, including lack of knowledge and carelessness, because of lack of preparation or lack of respect. Today, we bridge that gap. Safety is not a sign of weak faith, it is a sign of high spiritual discipline. You can't go emanzini kunezikhukhula, like really, ezinye izinto kumele sisebenziseni ne-common sense, because imvula mayinethe kakhulu amanzi ayagcwala and then bese uyaya laphaya and then bese amanzi ayakuthatha or izinto nje ezingasi-right. So ezinye izinto kumele sizigweme. You can't go emanzini ungaboniswanga noma uhamba nomuntu obonayo ngokomoya, umuntu ozokhona ukufunda isimo sasemanzini. You can't go emanzini ungcolile, like being on your periods, or bowunomuntu wakho othandana naye nenze izinto zabantu abadala and then wena suyavuka suya emanzini. You can't do that. You can't go emanzini if your spirit is clouded with anger or chaos. Do not go emanzini ngokanjalo. You must be clean, fast and pray noma ulungisela uhambo lakho lokuya emanzini, ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi uma uya emanzini ube u-clean ngokomoya and physically too. The purpose of fasting, it quiets the flesh so the spirit can hear izinto zomoya. It makes you lighter and more sensitive to the vibration of water. Uzokhona ukubona ama-signs mangamelanga ungene lapha emanzini. Khona kuzoyenzeka nje ukubonisa ukuthi hayi namhlanje. So manje ma uyungcolile then angeke uzibone lezo zinto bese read the water. You need to read the water. Just because the water is still, it doesn't mean there isn't an undertow. So use ithusi lakho, your rod staff, your long stick to test the ground. Let's respect the environment and keep it clean. The ancestors live in the beauty of nature. So if you leave your bottles, candles, chickens, papers, cans, you are offending the very same house you came to for help. Please subscribe to learn more. Thank you.